Have you ever walked into someone's home and instantly felt welcomed before a single word was even said? Well, it's the scent. That first smell that greets you at the door, it whispers something about the people inside. I learned this firsthand after years in property management. I could walk into a house and know if it would rent, just by the way it smelled. A clean, citrusy scent indicated that the home was well maintained. The warm smell of cookies felt like family. But if it smelled musty, or like last night's dinner, or worst of all, Mr. Kitty's potty box, we were in trouble. And guests are no different. The moment they step through your door, their senses are working before their brains catch up. That scent tells your story. Breathe it in, nature's perfume. So today, I'm sharing 6 naturally simple ways to make sure your home always says, "You're welcome here." And don't miss my free printable that I have for you pinned to the comments. 6 naturally inviting home scents. Checklist. Let's make it feel like a hug, but without any toxic plugins or fake sprays. Tip 1. Simmer pots on the stove. This is one of my favorite tricks, and it's cozy, customizable, and completely natural. Just take a small pot, fill it with water, and add whatever scents you love. Citrus peels, fresh herbs like rosemary or mint, spice like cinnamon sticks, star anise, or cloves. Let it simmer uncovered on the stove, and your whole home will smell like you've been baking something magical. Tip 2. Essential oils on cotton balls. Hidden trick. If you're sensitive to synthetic fragrances, essential oils are your best friend. Take a few cotton balls, add a few drops of lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus. Or your favorite signature natural scent. There are so many to choose from. Then tuck them behind couch cushions, in air vents, or near the entryway. It's a gentle scent that lingers, like a secret welcome message. Tip 3. Bake something small before company comes. Nothing beats the scent of fresh cookies, banana bread, or even just toasted cinnamon on buttered toast. A little baking, even if it's just a frozen cookie dough ball in the oven, gives your home that comforting, lived-in feel. And it works every time. Tip 4. Bring in living plants. Did you know some houseplants can purify the air and bring in a clean, earthy scent? Try peace lilies, eucalyptus stems, or even basil on your windowsill. They make the space feel alive and freshen the air naturally. Stick around to the end. I also made a video on plants that purify the air and freshen your home. You'll see it pop up on the end screen. Tip 5. Use natural cleaning staples with scented boosters. You don't need harsh chemical cleaners to keep your home smelling clean. Mix up a simple spray with white vinegar, water, and a few drops of lemon or tea tree essential oil. Use it to wipe down counters, light switches, and door handles. That little burst of scent tells people, this home is cared for. Tip 6. Homemade linen spray for curtains and upholstery. Make your own natural fabric freshener with water, vodka, yes, really, and essential oils. Spritz it lightly on curtains, throw pillows, or even pet bedding. Your soft surfaces will release a subtle scent each time someone walks by, and the vodka helps it dry quickly without a funky smell. Bonus tip, open the windows. Never underestimate fresh air. Even 10 minutes of open windows, especially in the morning, can sweep away stagnant smells and reset the energy in your space. So, remember the scent that greets someone at your door is a reflection of your home's soul. Whether it citrusy and bright, warm and spicy, or just clean and calm, it tells your guests, you're safe here. And the best part? You don't need to buy anything toxic or artificial to create that feeling. Just a few natural touches and a little heart. Let me know in the comments what scent says home to you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who loves creating a cozy space. But most of all, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next video.